Surge suppression is very important for the CCTV camera power supply enclosure. Why? Because you are in outdoor. In outdoor, the environment is very complex. The power you are receiving sometimes will be affected by the lightning, and sometimes the power grid itself has a surge. So the surge problem, if you don't protect it very well, protect the system very well, it will destroy your power system and devices. Well, you lose the power and the devices, which the most difficult part is not the device itself, is the operation cost, because then you have to go there to fix the job. And if this happens frequently, you will lose a lot of money. So surge suppression is a very easy job you do every time with the outdoor deployment. We really suggest you consider this part seriously. But not only power parts. I see that many solutions that my customer deployed. They know that they have to have some surge suppression when they're receiving the power from the power grid or something, or from the solar panels. But remember, the signal you go or receive out of the cabinet, that also should be considered very well. So every time my customer asks me to customize something besides the surge suppression of the power part, I also consider the surge suppression of the signal part. For example, if you have RS485 interface go out of the power enclosure to collect some information, and you have some DI/DO interface or some analog signal that collected from somewhere, probably want to detect the voltage or this kind of things. Be careful. This kind of cable, this kind of signal come from outdoor. So it's probably some devices you come from the cable outdoor, then come into the your system. That part also have to consider the surge suppression very well. If not, you see that, for example, we assume that you have one system has RS485 interface in outdoor, right? You collect the signal from outdoor, go into your system. Remember, this kind of interface will go directly into your CPU. So when you receive the surge, probably would burn your CPU suddenly, So that's really not a good idea. So surge suppression is very important. But remember, not only in power, also signaling part, okay?